Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, as we gather here on this special night, I am honored to extend my greetings to each and every one of you on the joyous occasion of Christmas tonight as the clock strikes 12, marking the beginning of Christmas Day. Let us embrace the spirits of love, joy, and togetherness that this festival brings. This year, as we celebrate Christmas, let us reflect on the blessings we have received, the challenges we have overcome, and the cherished moments we have shared. It's been 3 years of coming together and supporting each other through thick and thin. Despite the trials we have might face, the spirit of Christmas reminds us to appreciate the gift of life, the love of family and friends, and the hope for a brighter future. It is a time to spread kindness, to lend a helping hand to those who are in need, and cherish the moments of happiness we create. Let us remember those who are not with us today, and may our thoughts and prayers be with them. May the spirit of Christmas bring comfort to their hearts, and may they feel the warmth of love and support. In a world that often feels divided, let us use this festival season as an opportunity to bridge gaps, to extend goodwill to all, and foster understanding and compassion among us. As we welcome Christmas 2023, as carry the spirit of peace, hope, and love in our hearts, let us celebrate not only today but every day by spreading kindness, sharing laughter, and being there for one another. May this Christmas bring you and your loved ones abundance of blessings, happiness, and treasured moments. For my family to yours, I wish a Merry Christmas filled with love, joy, and wonderful memories. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Once again, Merry Christmas!